session is about how to draw a lion in Gond art. You can easily find the tutorials on deer and peacock, but this is probably the first video on YouTube on this motif. After watching this video, you can easily make this painting, frame it and use as home decor. It will be a perfect gift for your dear ones. Hello everyone, welcome to Color Goose Designs. Here is another video in tribal art tutorial series. In this series of videos, I will be sharing how to make beautiful Gond paintings, Madhubani paintings and Warli paintings. So, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook pages where I keep on posting updates on my new paintings and upcoming art workshops. In our previous videos, we have already done Gond art bookmarks and the Tree of Life painting. If you haven't seen those videos, please do watch. You can see link of those videos on the screen. I am using 140 GSM A4 size artist drawing book. The list of the material and also the links from where you can buy the material is given in the description box. In this session, we are drawing a lion and a tree. Lion has a great significance in Indian tribal art form. Lion is the king of jungle and it signifies courage, power and high position. Gond painting is practiced by the largest tribe of India, that is Gondi tribe. It is a very famous tribal art form of India. It is practiced mainly in Madhya Pradesh and in some parts of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Orissa. The word Gond is derived from the Dravidian expression Kond, which means the green mountain. These paintings mainly include images of animals, plants and trees. Now the drawing is completed. I am outlining it with a black gel pen. I'm using camel poster colors for coloring. You can use acrylics, pencil colors or watercolors, any color medium whichever you like. Like other tribal art forms, in Gond paintings also natural colors are used, which are obtained from flowers, sand and leaves. Gond people decorate the walls of their houses with colorful motifs. Nowadays, Gond paintings are done on every possible medium like canvas, paper, fabrics, pots and different types of colors are used. We are done with the coloring part. Now we will draw patterns on the different sections. Here I am using dots, dash lines and semicircles. is completed, you can frame it and hang on the walls of your home or office. It will be a perfect gift for your dear ones. If you like the video, if you are trying this painting, then don't forget to share it with me on my Instagram. You can use tag @colorgoosdesigns so that I can easily find your post. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.